All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. This is Monday, August 30th, almost done with August. What a trading day. What an amazing trading day we had. QQQ ripping higher to all-time high. Nothing will stop this market. SPY also grew to all-time high. Dow Jones almost near all-time high. IWM still is lacking, so that's IWM still is a little bit lacking on that. Speaking of IWM, Jared did a really nice trade on IWM, bounced from S3, also this 225 level. So he did a scalp on IWM from 225. That was a really nice trade. I did trade the TNA instead of it. So TNA is just I went long as soon as Jared called it. I went long at 1923, and I still holding it all the way up to maybe go to previous day close. So one way of doing trading IWM is trading TNA instead. And if you want to trade QQQ, you can trade TQQ, which is the leverage ETF on that. And a lot of people who were trading Apple or other stocks that part of the Q, they could potentially trade TQQ, because TQQ is just a leverage one. I think TQQ must be really strong today too, because yeah, there you go. So see, it's just a very nice move from 146 to 148. It's just a more leveraged pattern on that. For me, it was just BBIG, just one trade at the open, and I'm one and done. So BBIG was gapping up. I don't remember exactly what was the news is. And these low price stocks, I really like them when they're staying above the VWAP. But if they lose the VWAP, they usually become like a mess and just a nightmare, just a disaster. Right now, as you see, BBIG got halted once, and it's just a disaster right now. But what I noticed on BBIG was that we had this 939 level on the daily chart. Let me actually go on the daily chart here. On a daily chart, I have we had this back in January 19, 2021. So we had this level. I had it on my chart, and what I noticed was that it really held the VWAP at the open. Sold off, the volume was just unbelievable. They sold up, but really held the VWAP. Before just this candlestick closes, I just jump in long a little bit. As soon as it, the next candlestick came in, it went white, which is a green, and I added more, and then boom, blew up toward almost 10. Yeah, exactly. Sold off at 10. I think there's a lot of orders available to just short it or sell it at 10. Popped up, I sold most of my position, and the last piece I just got out of here, and I had a really nice and solid day on it. And after that, the profit was just so big enough for me that I said, you know what, I'm not gonna touch anything. Yes, so 7,600. A little bit of just bounce back, and almost at the break even I got out of it, and that was it for me. That was really nice. Brian, you did a couple of good trades, I think, on mRNA short at the open. What was it?
Yeah, I did two shorts at the open, Billy and mRNA. Billy didn't work out really that well, but mRNA had eventually got a nice drop on it. Yeah, and then I did a short on Affirm. It just was nice, looking weak, and it just started to roll over at 95. So I got a nice couple bucks on that. Right now I'm long BLIN. It just is doing that typical pullback, and then sort of consolidation, and got in around 525 there. So I'm just selling some here, 540.
So that was the opening range breakdown that on Affirm that the Brian did. And BLIN, is that your the reversal trade that you did?
We haven't figured. We still haven't figured out a name. There was a few thrown out there: Low Rider, Sleepy Angel, just waiting for it to drop and consolidate.
Yeah, no, it was really nice. So Brian has this, stocks, the low price stocks that gap up, they sell off, and then they eventually do a big bounce. And you did on Friday on NURO. That was a really nice one.
Yeah.
And this one's pretty much like that. It could be like potentially like a fallen angel, but it's just around 10, 15 happens. I mean, that's like a double.
Yeah, it happens later.
Later.
Yeah, I think of a fallen angel as just basically an opening range breakout. You get a stock gapping up, it pulls back a little when the market opens, and then you take it long after it holds Yeah, so this one's more of a wait and see trade. So
yeah, so that's a trade that Jared did on IWM. As you see, he called it at 225, bounce back. That was nice. I don't know why Jared didn't trade TNA, because he knows this really, really well. So I don't know why he didn't. Any other trades? Thor, do you have any screenshot for us? Any recap?
I think Thor did a nice Apple trade. I know that. A couple other people in the room did a nice Apple trade. A couple people in the room did PLTRs trades as well. All really nice trades.
Yeah, so Thor and Apple. Oh yeah, beautiful. So waited on this move, pulled back 150, 150.45, and then now, as you see, it's just going up all the way up to 150, 146. That's beautiful.
Wow, nice trade on mRNA. She even added back on that pullback. Nice one.
Perfect. Yeah.
Very nice.
Really, really nice trading day. Apple seems that it wants to go up. This 151.67 that we got a bounce from it, I think that's a daily level. Let me go to. Oh yeah, it's all-time high. Oh, there you go. Apple just look at this beautiful move to all-time high. I wasn't expecting this one goes to all-time high. 151.67. Definitely beautiful. Apple can be potentially a 920 trade. Yes, I would think so.
Let's take a look at it.
So, yeah. So Dr. Katz had made the announcement. He unfortunately, stops working with us at the end of September because he's just busy with the family and some of his consulting work is picking up. He will be greatly missed. We're gonna have his town hall this month with me. So having some discussions, I've never done that town hall or discussion with Dr. Katz. That would be really nice. As a farewell, we appreciate if you guys come and support. Today, the onboarding class for the members who are wondering what the hell is going on and how these guys are trading. You can come on onboarding session at 8 p.m. Eastern time. Mike is gonna do that. And then we have the technology class by Kyle. And then tomorrow, Thor is having a presentation on how to read the level 2. That's going to be probably really exciting. And what else do we have? What else do we have here? Sorry about that. Technical issues.